folks, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. I'm a registered nurse and yoga teacher. Today we are going to do a 10-minute home walking workout for weight loss. You don't need any fancy equipment. We have 4 basic moves. We're going to get right into it right now. Let's get started. All right, so 4 basic moves. You're doing the first one. Let's start by walking in place. Just start to warm up the body a little bit, wake things up. Get the wiggles out this morning or whatever time of day you're walking with me. So excited to have you along for the journey. And in these workout videos, we focus on improving our mobility and our balance. We of course work to burn fat calories and definitely work to manage our stress. So if it sounds like a right fit for you, you have landed in the right place. Focusing now on the 4 basic moves, and then once I show you those, we'll just kind of build on from there. By now, maybe you feel your heart rate coming up, maybe your breath rate is increased. Nice. And just check in with the body. How are you feeling today? Any physical sensations? Maybe check in with what's going on upstairs, with the mental body. No right or wrong here, just noticing. Welcoming yourself to this practice, right? You showed up, you said yes to 10 minutes of self-care, and I'm so excited to be a part of this journey with you. All right, let's go into our next move. It's a knee lift. We're just gonna lift a knee, engage the lower abdominal muscles, core is tight here. And then just focus on lifting and lifting. And maybe opposite arm reaches towards the sky here. Now, if that's not practical for you, that's okay. You might have a chair or a wall close by for added balance and support. Just working, focusing to move here. I love to tell my students, we want to move our body joyfully every single day, whether that's 10 minutes of walking or an hour-long, adventure outside. Whatever works for you, you fit the time frame and make it happen. 3, 2, 1, walk in place. If you ever get hung up on a move, you just come right back here. Home base, walk it out. Nice job. You can see it's the holidays, it's Christmas time here, so if you are watching this in real time, I'm wishing you a happy holiday season. Of course, I'm wishing you an always holiday season or happy time, whether you're watching this, 6 months down the road or not. So glad to have you along here. Let's go into our next move. Let's go into a kick next. So kick and kick. Please note my spine is long. I'm not hunched over my legs. We're kicking it out. Maybe both arms reach out today. I really love home walking. It can be a very effective way to find that balance in your life. If your goal is weight loss, this is a great, very practical way to manage your weight. And staying active is definitely key. So finding something that fits your activity level, right? Whether that be home walking or hiking or swimming, find something that works for you. For 3, 2, 1, walk in place. For me, this has worked for like a long time. Like my mom and I have been walking together like this for over 20 years. It's just something I enjoy, something that really fits into my busy life, and a practical way for me to stay active. So hope you enjoy it as well. All right, so our final move, our final basic move, are side steps. So use the space you have, and then we're just gonna step and step side to side here. Nice job. Take the feet wide if that feels okay. Maybe sink down if that feels okay. We always want to protect our joints. So if this is not feeling right in your body, maybe you just go back to that walk in place. So good. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. So those were our 4 basic moves, nice and simple. Keep it simple here on the channel. And then we're going to get into a little bit more intense moves here. So you got this. Together we've got this. Taking good care of your body, your mind, your spirit here. And we are coming up on our 5-minute mark already. So we're almost halfway there. So awesome job. Sweet. All right, let's go back into those knee lifts. We're going to lift a knee, lift a knee. Now if you like one arm or opposite arm reaching towards the sky. That's a great option. Or maybe try this with me. Fingers to the shoulders. We're gonna reach up, down, out, and back. So good. Take your time. Or go fast, your choice. You might be going faster or slower than me. Make this workout work for you. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Whew. Starting to warm the body up. Feeling cozy today. I'm wearing my husband's hunting socks and then this cute little sweater my sister actually knitted for me for Christmas. So such a nice warm day for me. Outside it's really cold. We didn't get snow last night, but there's a lot of frost everywhere. So that's why home walking is, in my humble opinion, one of the best things we can do for ourselves. I don't have to battle the weather or go to the gym. I got everything I need right here. And so do you. All right, give me some heel taps forward. Tap a heel, both arms reach out. Ooh, got it. Find a little rhythm here. Make it fun. If you feel a little dancey, feel free to dance at any point in this workout. I highly encourage it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk in place. Check in with that breath. Can you take that talk test? Say a 5 to 6 word sentence. If you get a little winded through that, back out of it. Take a little breather, maybe slow down, grab a sip of water, but stick with me. Stay here till the end. We are all gonna cross this finish line together. I want to share with you something that I've created for my students that I teach here online. I created a 4-week health and fitness tracker, and it's a great way for you to stay active and motivated, especially when it's cold and the new year is coming. This is a great little tool that you can download right off your computer and get started today. So check that out. It's going to be one of the first links in the description below. All right, guys, let's go into those side steps again, side to side. Whew. Nice job. And then maybe we get the upper body involved. So when the legs are together, we're gonna open and close the arms, okay? Don't overthink it. I'm already overthinking this. It's all good. Just move the body and breathe. For 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. Walk it out. Kind of kicked Gumby over. He's part of my activity set today. Whew. Walk it out. Coming up on our next move, take the feet kind of wide here. We're gonna do a crossbody punch, but reach up towards the sky. So like reach across the room here. Watch it, join me when you're ready. Take up all the space you possibly can. Make it happen. 10 minutes of walking like this equates to about half a mile or 1,000 steps. So that's awesome. If you're trying to get your steps in, this workout is gonna be great for you. And of course, if you want a longer workout, check out my channel. I've got tons of these kind of videos, so definitely have longer and shorter videos for you. 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Nice job. Coming up on about 1 minute and 30 seconds left. You got this. Goes by so fast. Pick up the feet a little faster, pump the arms a little faster. Go for it, guys. Make it happen. So good. All right. Let's go into another move. Give me a heel tap backwards this time. Maybe you watch it. We're gonna tap a heel, tap a heel. So tap a toe, reach both arms. Nice job. Get long in the spine, big shapes here for your body. Should be nice and warm by now. We are coming up on just the last 30 seconds of this full workout. I'm gonna encourage you, stick with me. Don't want you to skip the cool down, okay? Here we are, 3, 2, 1, walk it out. This is where we're gonna finish up. Walk it out. Pump the arms, pump the feet. Can you go faster? You have the option at any point to do a little boosted walk, so a little jog in place. If you want to go for it now, please feel free. We have 10 seconds left. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Big applause to everyone here. Don't skip the cool down. Keep walking here. Slow the feet down. Nice job. Just that 10 minutes, I can feel it. I feel sweaty. I feel like I've done something today, so that's awesome. All right, slowing the feet down here. Give me a toe tap and a toe tap. Maybe get those arms overhead. Little modified jumping jack. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, where are you joining me from? Are you enjoying these sorts of workouts? Also, let me know what your favorite move is. I love hearing from my students. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. If you're interested, I do have an online academy where we focus on women's health. It's called Emily's Wellness Academy, and we do weekly walking workouts like this, a weekly yoga class now, and even bi-monthly group health coaching calls. So if you're into that, please check out the links, Emily's Wellness Academy, on my website, emilydaugherty.com. I'll leave links below too. All right, guys, let's start to plant the feet on the ground, and then just take one arm out in front, bring it towards the other side of the body, maybe use that other elbow to brace, look over opposite shoulder. To let the heart rate come down, the breath rate starts to come back to balance. Nice job. Release that shape and then take that same arm up to the sky. Inhale, exhale, side body stretch, fold over, looking up or down. And release that arm. Other side, we'll sweep tall to the sky. Inhale, exhale, side body stretch. And release that shape. Let's take that arm off to the other side of the body and look over the shoulder, bracing yourself and breathing. Release both arms, shake it out. Give me some big circles with the shoulders, open up the chest. 3, 2, 1. Maybe you reverse that other direction. Whew. Check in. How's this feel? Do you feel different than you did at the beginning of this practice? 3, 2, and last one. Nice job. Shake it out. Drop the hands down by the sides. Mountain pose, palms face forward. Take a couple rounds of mindful breathing. We'll try this together. Let's inhale deeply through the nose. Exhale, release, let it go. Just 2 more times here, connecting with your breath and your body. Inhale. And exhale. And one more time. Inhale, lots of love in. Exhale, lots of love out. So good. That was your 10-minute walking workout for weight loss. I'm so glad you made it till the end, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take good care, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.